Dear friend, besides influencing the silent and the good people, I do have another skill. I want to do my best to share it with you and help you achieve the same level I'm in right now. And so let me give you some tips in this direction. Stay with me. My biggest strength and the most important skill I do own now is that I became my best friend. I don't think that anything else in my life helped me more than this skill alone. I'm sure you also have a hard history and a lot of pain and maybe sorrow where you just thought that you lost everything and that no one is around you. And maybe you were disappointed by people so many times that you just lost your faith in them. Faith in the people around you, faith in your family, faith in your friends, your colleagues, your significant other, the humankind. And those are painful moments because you cannot live in a world without trusting people. It's unhealthy and it's a way to hell, to unhappiness. And so I was many times there when I lost my trust in people, and then it was between me and me, choosing, do I want to live this way or I will choose to trust them no matter what. But how can I be sure that next time I won't be broken again when someone close to me disappoints me or betrays me or does harm to me? The best way is to regain the closest, deepest connection to yourself. Once I found this and I learned this, I did everything in my power to become my best friend. And since I am in that place, I can tell you that nothing and no one will break me. No matter how many people betrayed you, let you down, disappointed you, made you suffer, put you close to depression, or maybe take your life. You need to know that the biggest strength is inside you. So let me ask you a question. When was the last time when you talked with yourself as a friend? For how long? Did you do it? This is a habit. It's an important habit you must do from now on, starting today or after you see this video. Start talking with yourself like a friend. You're not crazy. It's very normal to talk with yourself. It's healthy. Because maybe you will find yourself, your soul, your power, your mission. And when the hard times come, you will be there for you. In front of hard situations, no one can feel, no one can truly understand what we feel inside, what we have inside, our insecurities, our fears. So, who could be your best friend if not you? When you start to talk with yourself, accept yourself, become proud of yourself, and take commitments with yourself, then you will set yourself free and you'll be on the right path to conquer your destiny. There are steps which you can make in this direction, and I'm working on a way to can describe small, easy, very clear steps for you and give you this power. Something what you can implement starting today and see quicker results than in my case. So let me think about this, work on this project, but at least I give you this mission to start befriending yourself, start talking with yourself, and don't forget, In this discussion and communication, you need to forgive yourself, appreciate yourself, and commit to yourself. No one will love you more than you. No one will appreciate you more than you. No one will respect you more than you. So if you are not in a good communication and not in a good relationship with yourself, you cannot expect from others to show you how you should love yourself, how you should wear yourself on the street, how you should talk, what you should do. So learn to do it with yourself. You should be the light, you should be the leader to show others how they should love you, how they should treat you, how they should talk with you. Start with you first. Decide, clarify what kind of person you think you are. Heal yourself where you need to be healed. But finally, you need to gain that beautiful self-image about yourself and your strength, where you can shine and be proud of yourself and be who you really can be.